Bangkok's underground system, locally known as the MRT, is one of Bangkok's most important transportation systems, helping thousands of tourists and locals travel to important destinations in Bangkok. Currently in 2023, the MRT consists of two main underground lines, the Blue MRT line and the Purple MRT line, with a total of around 50 stations. The Blue line is one of the most important and best transport for traveling in Bangkok. It is a circular line that consists of around 30 stations, with stations reaching important destinations including Chatuchak, Asok, Silom, Yaowarat, and Sanam Chai. Many of the most popular attractions and landmarks in Bangkok are within minutes walk from the MRT station, including the Grand Palace, Wat Po, Lumpini Park, and the Terminal 21 shopping mall. Some of the best markets in Bangkok is within close proximity, such as the Chatuchak Weekend Market, Jodd Fair Night Market, the One Ratchada Market, and Bangkok's Chinatown. The Purple Line, first opened in August of 2016, starts from the Tao Pun station and ends in Klong Ban Pai. Purchasing a ticket is extremely straightforward. First, choose your desired destination on the map, check on the ticket price, and then pay. The ticket machine will accept both bills and coins. And finally, collect your ticket, which is actually more like a plastic token for the MRT system. The entire process is simple and quick. Travelers can purchase the MRT member card at any of the MRT stations. Head to the information counters, prepare your passport and 180 Thai baht. The staff will ask for some extra personal information, including your Thai telephone number and your email address. Okay, copy. Entering and exiting the MRT stations is so much more convenient and straightforward with the MRT member card. From Monday to Sunday, the MRT's opening time is 6 AM in the morning until 12 at midnight. It is extremely easy to navigate within the MRT system. As you head onto the platform, most of the stations will only have two different directions. Check out the many available maps to help guide you to the correct train platforms. The TVs on the platform will display a very accurate time for the next train's arrival. To exchange between the Blue MRT and the Purple MRT lines, passengers can do so at the Tao Pun MRT station. The busiest Skytrain is also an excellent form of transportation in Bangkok, and there are many interchangeable stations between the MRT system and the BTS system, such as Bang Wah, Saladang, Sukhumvit, Mochit, and Phanon Yotin. For passengers looking to travel from the Suvarnabhumi Airport into central Bangkok or vice versa, you can do so by travelling to the MRT Purple station and then walk for 10 minutes to the Airport Rail Link Makassar station. It will take less than 20 minutes to reach the Suvarnabhumi Airport from the Makassar station. If you are arriving from the Domong Airport, take the red SRL line from the Domong station and travel to the Bang Sue Grand station. There, you can exchange to the MRT Blue line and head into central Bangkok. Some of the MRT stations include a mini mall called the Metro Mall. It provides a very good spot for travelers to rest by enjoying a drink in a cafe and eaten in many small restaurants. Most of the metro malls will have convenience stores. Some of them even houses a few pretty famous barbers, massage parlors, and currency exchanges. If you have found this MRT video guide helpful, then please check out even more informational guides for transports in Bangkok here.